The 30-second meditation. Take your specs, close your eyes, fold your hands, concentrate on Almighty God and express your thanks and gratitude for everything you've got in life. Take your parents' blessing by touching their feet mentally. Feel that all positive energy entering your mind, becoming stronger. Whatever we discussed today, we shall remember forever. Rub your hands, touch your eyeballs, touch your cheeks and open a gentle smile. Okay. So, who will come today? Teja. Teja, please come quickly. Teja, please come quickly. Yes, sir. Teja, please rub it and you shall be working with me. Please rub it first. See, you have to do, okay, I am telling you. So, we are doing budget, and budget is means planning when quantified efficacy budget, and I have told you there are different classes of budget. You have to know how to classify, there may be questions, and yesterday 80% of the answers you yourself told from your experience what is different types of budgets, and today we will be doing practical of budgets. So, let us start here. You give a line from that side to this side, half of the board. Please take a line. Take it, एक उठा के ले जाओ, पूरा ले जाओ, हाँ, yes. So, you please write, here give a line from that side, एकदम corner से, yeah, please come, 50%, 60%, और थोड़ा आ जाओ, okay, then you see here, you एक बार देख लो, this one बड़ा है, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, can you make it? So, give one more below.
मैं इसे जोकिंग नहीं करेगा, इतना बड़ा क्लास है आईआईटी का, सुन लो, समझने की बात करो, तो गेट इट है, मजा आ रहा है ना? Fixed cost is variable and variable cost is fixed. ये सारा क्या बोल दिया उल्टा पुल्टा, and I am going to prove it. Fixed cost is variable. Nandini Bharti, record if it means also.
So start.
Fixed cost is variable, variable cost is fixed. Can anybody explain this?
No, sir.
Fixed cost is variable, variable cost is fixed. तो सर आप इतना दिन क्या पढ़ाया? We have understood what is fixed cost, and we have also understood what is variable cost. आप क्या पढ़ा उल्टा पुल्टा? ठीक है. What I taught you, that you tell me. Earlier, what I taught you, that you tell me. Hey, Rahul Bajaj. Earlier, what I taught you. Fixed cost is what?
Six.
ठीक. मैं इसे जोकिंग नहीं करेगा. इतना बड़ा क्लास है आईआईटी का. सुन लो, समझने की बात करो. तो गेट इट है. मजा आ रहा है ना? Fixed cost is variable and variable cost is fixed. ये सारा क्या बोल दिया उल्टा पुल्टा, and I am going to prove it. Fixed cost is variable. Nandini Bharti, record if it means also.
So start.
Fixed cost is variable, variable cost is fixed. Can anybody explain this?
No, sir.
Fixed cost is variable, variable cost is fixed. तो सर आप इतना दिन क्या पढ़ाया? We have understood what is fixed cost, and we have also understood what is variable cost. आप क्या पढ़ा उल्टा पुल्टा? ठीक है. What I taught you, that you tell me. Earlier, what I taught you, that you tell me. Hey, Rahul Bajaj. Earlier, what I taught you. Fixed cost is what?
Six.
Fixed.
With production.
Yeah. So, more samosa, more maida. Less samosa, less maida.
Less aloo.
No samosa, no maida.
No aloo.
Maida you know. But you make samosa. But no samosa, room rent yes.
Yes.
Right? Room rent yes.
Yes, sir.
This light yes.
Yes.
Is selling tea. No samosa. Light same. Fan same. So you understand what is variable cost.
Yes.
Proceed. तो से मंथ के शुरू में क्या बोल रहा है? फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट इज वेरिएबल. क्या बोल दिया? सुनो. Variable cost, more production, more variable cost. Less production, less variable cost. No production, fixed cost. More production, same fixed cost. Less production,
Same.
same fixed cost.
No production?
Same fixed cost.
Example also you know.
Yes.
So, for making this table, suppose 2 क्या बोलते हैं उसको square feet wood is necessary. Okay, example. For making this table, 2 square feet of wood is necessary. Suppose. So for making one table, you need 2 square feet of wood. For making 2 table, 4, 3, 6 जाते रहेगा. Okay. एक easy. But per unit, variable cost is fixed. Variable cost is fixed per unit. Now, मेरा dialogue. Variable cost is fixed. Fixed cost is variable per unit. Variable cost is fixed. Fixed cost is variable per unit. जैसे अभी देखो, this is variable cost. If you make 10,000, if you make 8,000, if you make 6,000, variable is fixed per unit. For making one samosa, you need this much of maida. So that is fixed. जितना समोसा बना इतना मैदा लगेगा, तो that is fixed. Concept समझ लो उसको, or you can talk to me also. For making one samosa, how much you need? Suppose 100 grams maida. So the ultimate dialogue here is, as I told you in the class, let me finish the video with the accurate and exact dialogue which I meant in the class. I told fixed cost is variable and variable cost is fixed per unit. That you remember. If you don't write per unit, then it will be confusing. Fixed cost is variable per unit and variable cost is fixed per unit. Variable cost is constant per unit. Fixed cost is fixed as a whole in the total, but per unit fixed cost is variable, because more the units produced, the per unit fixed cost will be less, and less the units produced, per unit fixed cost will be more. So fixed cost is variable per unit, you can verify yourself, but variable cost is again constant, because for one unit whatever variable cost is there, for 2 units it will just double. For whatever number of units, the per unit will remain constant. That's what I meant by fixed cost is variable, variable cost is fixed per unit. Means fixed cost is variable per unit and variable cost is fixed per unit. So hope you understood it. I made this part of the video at my residence, so I'm adding it for your benefit, and you can remember this while doing the flexible budget, and in anything it may be required. Thank you very much. Last once again, fixed cost is variable, variable cost is fixed per unit. Once again with me, fixed cost is variable and variable cost is fixed per unit. Fixed cost is fixed as a total and variable cost is variable in the total, and when you go by per unit, that fixed cost is variable, and when you go by per unit, variable cost is fixed. So hope you understood. Thank you. Study hard and do justice to yourself. As much as time whatever you are having, utilize in the best possible manner. Try to learn as much as possible. This will be beyond exam, it will be helping you in future also in profession. So thank you very much.